And so once I got to looking at everything, I basically told myself, I said, so this is what I've been missing in my business. And so what I ended up doing, guys, 48 hours after I got that information, I decided to join the program. And so once I joined the program, I got inside the community. And one thing that I love about the community was the fact of how welcoming everybody was, and which was something new for me. But to make a long story short, guys, I got plugged into the program. I started on January the 15th. So my first 2 weeks, I just jumped into the 2-hour workday, which is inside of the training. I started copying and pasting the ads on the high traffic websites. And my first 2 weeks, happened to make $5,000 those first 2 weeks. And so I realized that I was already onto something, because I never made $5,000 working 12 hours a day, 7 days a week as a welder. And so I just kept on plugging into the training, showing up on the webinars, showing up on the mentoring calls, just going through just trying to master 2-hour workday, watching people like Victoria, Michelle, and Amy and Tim, a lot of the people who were really, really doing well. And guys, I just kind of took off. And I think my first 5-figure month was March. I was my first breakout month. I made $38,000 in March. And that's when I realized that I was onto something. And again, you don't understand the power of this industry, because I didn't realize digital marketing was this massive as far as like the amount of income that you can make, which is $1 billion a day industry. And then the power of social media. And of course, the blueprint itself, really just working around 2 hours a day, creating a couple pieces of content. And so I say this, guys, I was able to hit my first 6 figures, even though when I joined, I said my goal is to make 6 figures by the end of December. I hit my first 6 figures in 112 days, so a little bit under 4 months, and working just about 2 hours a week. 2 hours a day. And then I went on and hit my second 6 figures right at the 8-month mark. So I've been doing this for about 8.5 months. And I'm about $212,000 earned since in my first 8.5 months. And when I joined, I didn't have a following. I wasn't even on TikTok. I didn't have no brand. I was just someone who was willing to be coachable and just follow exactly what Michelle had put together. And I'll say this, man, I do a lot of content. I'm right up the road from a really, really nice park with waterfalls, and I do a lot of my content there. Guys, there's just nothing like freedom. And when I say freedom, I'm just talking about like time freedom, like where you can just wake up and you don't have a boss. And it's crazy to me that I get to wake up knowing that I only have a 2-hour workday, and I can do it anytime I want. I can do 30 minutes here, 5 minutes there, an hour here. It doesn't matter. As long as I'm showing up for my 2-hour workday and creating my content, I know that I'm going to attract customers, because this is what we teach specifically in the training. And my customers are going to allow my content is going to attract customers, and my customers are going to come back to my automated system. That's going to drive traffic to the already done for you automated system that we get for free. And guys, it's going to do everything for you. So I just love this business model, because it just allows you to get your 2 hours of income producing activities done. And then your business is just going to do everything for you. And you can just be out doing the things that you want to do, because this is a high income skill that you're learning, which is marketing, content creating, how to attract customers, building a brand. Just all things that you need that makes up to build a successful online business. And the beauty of it is we can do all this around a 2-hour workday. So I know it's kind of hard sometimes to put our minds around that you can actually build a business working 2 hours a day, but you have to understand that this is an industry that makes over $1 billion a day. And it's an industry that brings in 5 billion people on social media, a platform that we're all on, the whole world is on. And I just want to say, guys, look here, this is the best thing since sliced bread. I don't know what my income levels are going to be right now. I'm at about, actually, it's been kind of like a slow month for me, because I'm right around about 19 grand just this month, which is great money, especially down here in Tennessee, but it's just crazy that what you can accomplish in this program if you just come in, don't try to reinvent the wheel, just follow what's already been put together and proven that Michelle has created. We're probably pushing close to 40 6-figure income earners. I think 10 millionaires. Guys, there's a reason for that, and so I just encourage you guys, if you're on the fence, all you got to do is just get started. You only have a 2-hour workday. If an old country boy like myself, single, one of 13 siblings, I grew up dirt poor, guys. It has nothing to do with where you're from, right? So I want you to get that concept out of your mind. If you can just follow a simple blueprint, come in, get plugged in, follow people like Michelle, Tim, Amy, just everybody, Lizelle. Just, I mean, these are all people who are here to help you, not even including the community of what 37,000 or something like that. So I just encourage you guys, man, just if you're on the fence and you've been coming to these, just take that step. That's the only thing that's stopping you, because I'm telling you, once you understand and master these 2 hours, your life is not going to be the same. There's nothing like time freedom. You can't put a dollar amount on it, guys. So I know I've talked way longer than I'm probably supposed to, Michelle, but it's just crazy to me that how I can just wake up on a regular Friday, like today when I would typically be at work welding, and here I am I mean, yesterday I had a $2,100 day, which is just crazy, and I didn't even put those results in the community. I didn't even share that because I just been enjoying my life. But I just encourage you guys, if you're on the fence, just take that step, man. This is the best program put together by the best community, the best mentor in the online space, guys. This is where you want to be. So, and we're only getting started.